Honk if you love Joey Page.
I
Okay.
was standing on the corner of a busy street.
Well, it's not that busy, but okay, now show them. Show people the sign. Do it!
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Joey, I'm doing this for you, okay? No one's honking. They probably all think I'm a freak.
We need some honks. Come on. Woo!
Joey, got a honk for you! People are staring. People are looking, there's not honking. Joey, this is so funny. Oh my god. There's no more cars coming. This is like
Woo!
okay. It's your turn.
Woo!
Okay, it's your turn.
I think okay.
You're not recording.
No, this is too good.
I'm so embarrassed right now.
It's okay for Joey. This is so funny. Come on, people.
Oh, when the brown girl does it, I don't get any honk.
There was an old lady in that car. She was like looking at you. Come on, Tanvi.
Honk for Joey Page. Just honk. Honk if you love Joey Page. Hey, I know you. Honk. No one's honking.
Don't worry, there's no cars. Here, hold up your other sign.
Woo!
Hold up your other sign.
Page.
Here. Okay, this is the other sign. Joey Page is sick nasty.
Joey
Show the back.
Page, sick nasty.
Show him the back.
It says add Joey on myspace.com/Joey Page.
I think we should hold up the honk one.
Yeah, I don't
Sorry, Joey. I made that honk one. Thank you very much. Come on, we need some honks.
Joey, Joey, Joey.
Woo! Nice horn.
People need to honk.
They were laughing.
I don't care. Old lady's staring at me.
Oh.
Honk.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Woo!
police car.
Where? Oh my god, oh my god. Meredith, don't walk away. Show the policeman. Go back. We're not gonna get arrested.
You look suspicious.
You look suspicious because you walked past.